Hello friends, welcome to Exort Solutions. Friends, in previous video we have seen the circle command. So friends, if you have any query about that video, please comment your query in comment section, so I will give you a resolution. Okay, so friends, let's get started with our next video. Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, in this video we are going to see the rectangle and polygon command which is available in the draw section. First of all, we will see the rectangle and then polygon. Okay, so select the rectangle command. So friends, you will notice that the selection of rectangle command will be shown in the command section. Also here command section we can see the chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. These 5 tabs have been shown. Okay, so the chamfer and fillet we will see them in the modify section from here. Okay, and the elevation, it is the complete a big syllabus, so we will show you this after completion of our basic tutorials. Okay, now we will see how to use circle with width, okay, or thickness. Just go to the thickness. We have to plot the thickness dimension, so I will give a 5 mm dimension, hit up the enter. And to draw rectangle, we have to plot the first point and the second point. Our rectangle of that dimension will be created. Okay, I will show you again. Just select the rectangle command, just select the thickness. We have to give thickness. I will give a thickness of 5 mm. Just plot the first point and give the second point. So by giving the in rotational direction, you will see the rectangle of that dimension will be created. Okay, so I will just change my move from these to realistic. You will see this width of 10 mm has been created. Okay, also now we will see how to use the width. Just select the width. We have to give the dimension to the width. I will give a 10 mm and hit up the enter. So click up here and here you will see this width of 10 mm rectangle will be drawn. Okay, I will simply go to the wireframe. You will see the rectangle of 10 mm width will be drawn. Okay, likewise we can draw rectangles. Okay, now we will see how to draw a simple rectangle. But for going to the simple rectangle, we have to just keep in mind that we have used thickness and width. We have given some dimension to the thickness, also to the width, so we have to again give the dimension and just minimize it to the 0. So it shows here 10 mm we have given width, so we have to just give the 0, hit up the enter. Also select the thickness, give 0 and hit up the enter. So now we can draw our rectangle with fresh dimension. Okay, select the rectangle command, select first point and select the second point. Our rectangle of that approximate dimension will be created. Okay, now we will see if you have a dimension with area. So just select the rectangle command, select the first point, and as we select the first point to draw our rectangle, you will see here area, dimension and rotation tab have been occurred. So just simply select the area tab, and now you have to give a area in your current unit. Okay, my current unit is millimeter, so I am going to give dimension in millimeter. I will give dimension of 500. Okay, and now it software asks us to give a length or width. Okay, we have to just give any one direction and another direction will automatically drawn. Okay, so now we have to just enter the width, and I have entered the width. Okay, so that rectangle will be drawn. We will see it again. Just select the rectangle, give the first point, select the area, enter the area. Okay, select the width. We have to give a length of width. I will give length of 5 mm width, and just 5 mm width length of that approximate dimension rectangle will be drawn here. Okay, now we will see how to use the dimension command. By using dimension command, you will simply give the length and width by using your dimensions. Okay, I want a length of rectangle 50 mm and width of 10 mm. Okay, so now you will see as we move our cursor, we can draw our rectangle in this 4 direction. Just give any direction you want to draw your rectangle and just select the mouse, so our rectangle will be drawn here. Okay, likewise we will see how to use the rotation. Just select the first point, select the rotation. Now here we have to give a rotation to our rectangle. Okay, I will give a rotation of 45 degree and hit up the enter. So now you will see here in 45 degree our rectangle will be drawn. Just I am going to plot the second point. So 45 degree angle means if we have a line from this point to here the rotation bit angle between this line and this line, it is 45 degree. Okay, as like we can draw our rectangles with these various condition. Okay, now we will see the polygon. For polygon we have to give a, here it is the first condition, we have to give us number of sides we want. I want to sides of 5 mm, hit up the enter. Now we have to specify the center point. Okay, now it asks us inscribe or circumscribe. Inscribe means our polygon will be drawn under the circle, and circumscribe means our polygon will be drawn out of the circle. Okay, now I will select the inscribe. We have selected the center point. Just I will give the dimension of 10 mm, hit up the enter. Our polygon of that dimension will be 10 mm dimension will be created. Just select the again, we have to give again dimension of 5 mm. Okay, select the center point and select the circumscribe and select the 10 mm. Our rectangle of our polygon of that dimension will be created. You will simply note that our polygon, first of all we will see the circumscribe, inscribe. Okay, so inscribe means our circle is encrypted outside this polygon, and here our polygon is on the circumference of this circle. Okay, likewise you can draw our polygon or any dimension you want to draw. Okay, now we will see the edge command. Okay, but just simply select the edge. We have selected the number of sides. We have to just plot the first point and give this edge dimension. Okay, if I want edge of 50 mm, I will give 50 mm. Our polygon of that 50 mm edge will be drawn here. Okay, for you will notice that just center is only shown if we want to draw polygon with center, and in edge we have to just give the edge dimension. Okay, so friends, likewise we can draw polygon or rectangle command.